Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to oral radiology OPG. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now, before to explanation, the one request is that if you watch this video on laptop, you can watch it on half screen and on full screen. But if you want to watch on mobile, then you should watch this video on full screen, because on half screen some content of video will not be show because of slide configuration. Now today we start the topic of oral radiology OPG. Now in our video we will cover the word OPG, then definition of OPG, then advantages of OPG, then disadvantages, and then indication of OPG. This is the first video of OPG series in which we cover the definition, advantages, disadvantages, indication. In second video, we will study the anatomical landmark of OPG. In third video, we will study the how to interpret OPG or zone of OPG. And in the fourth video, we will study the errors of OPG or artifacts of OPG. Now, in today's video, first, what the word OPG mean? OPG mean O mean ortho, P mean pentomo, G mean gram. Mean ortho pentomogram. Now, what ortho mean? What pen mean? And what tomogram mean? Ortho mean straight because it is a straight image. Pen mean panoramic. Panoramic mean wide view. Wide view mean because it show both maxilla and mandible and its associated structure. Mean the view of OPG, the coverage of OPG is wide because it covers both maxilla and mandible and its supported structure. What the tomogram mean? Tomogram mean image of depth tissue. Depth tissue mean image of bone. This is the word OPG mean orthopentomogram, and orthopentomogram mean ortho mean straight, pen mean panoramic mean, view mean wide view mean show both maxilla and mandible, and tomogram mean image of depth tissue mean image of bone, because in OPG we take the image of bone. This is the word OPG mean. Now come to the definition of OPG. How we define the OPG? First, OPG is a radiographic procedure which produce tomographic image. Tomographic image mean image of depth tissue, bone. Mean OPG is a radiographic procedure which produce tomographic image of facial structure. Facial structure again we divide into three: maxilla, mandible, and supported structure of mandible and maxilla. Now the definition of OPG is that a radiographic procedure which produce tomographic image of facial structure. And tomographic image mean image of depth tissue mean bone, and facial structure are mean maxilla, mandible, and supported structure of mandible and maxilla. This is the definition of OPG. Now come to the advantages of OPG. There are 4 advantages of OPG. The first advantage is broad anatomic coverage. OPG has broad anatomic coverage because it covers the both midfacial structure, and mandible and supportive structure of mandible and maxilla. Therefore, the first advantage of OPG is broad anatomic coverage. Like when we take periapical radiograph, it cover only one tooth and maximum two tooth. But OPG cover all the 32 teeth plus maxilla, maxillary sinus, nasal cavity, and mandible and associated structure of mandible and maxilla. Second advantage is low patient radiation dose. As compared to other radiographs, OPG patient radiation dose is low. Patient will be exposed to low radiation dose. The third advantage is convenience of examination. When we examine the OPG, when we interpret the OPG, the examination of OPG is convenience. How is convenience? We will study in the fourth video. The fourth advantage of OPG is use in patient unable to open mouth. We can use OPG in patient which is unable to open mouth, like in trismus patient, because trismus patient cannot open the mouth. And in trismus patient we can do OPG. And if there is a other infection other than trismus, a patient cannot open the mouth, again we use OPG in that person. These are the four advantages of OPG: broad anatomic coverage, low patient radiation dose, convenience of examination, use in patient unable to open mouth. Now come to the disadvantages. There are 5 disadvantages of OPG. The first disadvantage is do not show fine anatomic detail. Do not show fine anatomic detail because OPG show only landmark. They do not show fine anatomic detail of each landmark. This is the first disadvantage of OPG. Second disadvantage of OPG is magnification. OPG only magnify the structure 20 times. OPG magnification is up to 20. As compared to other radiograph, its magnification is low. The third disadvantage is expensive. OPG is little bit expensive than periapical radiograph and other radiograph. The fourth disadvantage is distortion. There is distortion of image when there is error like patient positioning error, patient preparation error, and patient movement during the OPG cycle. This is the fourth disadvantage is distortion. The fifth disadvantage is overlap of other structure on teeth image. When there is patient positioning error or preparation error, there will be overlap of other structure on teeth image, like overlap of palate and maxillary teeth, overlap of nasal cavity on maxillary teeth. These are the 5 disadvantages of OPG: do not show fine anatomic detail, low magnification, expensive, distortion, overlap of other structure on teeth image. Now come to the indication of OPG. There are 5 indication of OPG. Number 1 is evaluation of trauma. To evaluate the trauma, we use OPG. If there is trauma in maxilla, trauma in mandible, we use OPG. Second indication is third molar. We take OPG if there is third molar impaction. For impaction of third molar, to watch the path of eruption of third molar, we do OPG. The third indication is large lesions. To evaluate large lesions in mandible and maxilla, again we do a OPG. The fourth indication is tooth development. To determine the tooth development, how much tooth crown is developed, how much tooth root is developed, for development of tooth, to evaluate the tooth development, again we do OPG. And due to tooth development stages, we can determine the dental age of patient. The fifth indication is developmental anomalies. We can evaluate the developmental anomalies of tooth by help of OPG, like in supernumerary teeth, like missing teeth, we can evaluate with the help of OPG. Now, these are the five indication. Number one is evaluation of trauma. Number two, third molar, to watch the third molar impaction, path of eruption. Third is large lesions. Fourth is tooth development, and fifth is developmental anomalies of tooth. Now, today we studied the what is word OPG mean, definition of OPG, advantages, disadvantages, and indication. Now, today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. If you want any topic video, comment topic name below this video. I will make video for you. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.